Hi everyone, and welcome back to Education Essentials. Today, I'm going to show you the foolproof methods to boil an egg perfectly every single time. Whether you like them soft, medium, or hard, I've got you covered. Let's crack into it. First things first, you'll need some eggs, a pot, water, a timer, and a slotted spoon. Make sure your eggs aren't super fresh, as slightly older eggs peel more easily after boiling. For soft-boiled eggs with a runny yolk, start by bringing your water to a gentle boil. Gently lower your eggs into the pot and set your timer for 6 to 7 minutes. If you like your yolk slightly less runny, aim for 7 minutes. If you're in the medium-boiled egg camp, you'll want the yolk to be partially set, but still creamy. Lower your eggs into boiling water and set your timer for 8 to 9 minutes. For those who love hard-boiled eggs with firm yolks, boil your eggs for about 11 to 12 minutes. This ensures the yolk is completely set and perfect for slicing without any gooiness. Once your eggs are boiled to your liking, it's crucial to cool them down quickly. Transfer them into a bowl of ice water for a few minutes to stop the cooking process. This also makes peeling them a breeze. And there you have it, perfectly boiled eggs made easy. Remember, use older eggs for easier peeling and adjust the boiling time to suit your taste. Serve them in salads, sandwiches, or just sprinkle with a little salt and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more kitchen tips and tricks. See you next time.